Yeah, man! Welcome to the BRICCS. Today, we have the top Dr. Squatch alcoholic BRICCS. Many Squatch bars love alcohol, just like many of us do. In fact, many bars either have their themes or scents designed around it, if not directly containing the sauce as a unique ingredient. So today I thought we'd look through each of these booze BRICCS and rank them by which did it best. So crack open a cold one and let's get into the top 8 alcoholic BRICCS. Let's kick things off at 8 with the Bow Chicka Wow Wow, the Valentine's Day boy. Its drink of choice, red wine. This romantic brick went from one of the top limiteds to one of the worst during its most recent release. But on paper, it's still a very interesting bar, containing real aphrodisiacs and of course, red wine. The scent though went from delicious chocolate-covered strawberries to rancid chocolate and putrid artificial strawberry. Good luck getting a second date with that. At 7 is the Bay Rum. This is the first one today that actually does not contain the alcohol that it made its theme about. There is no rum. In fact, there are no unique ingredients, just a basic bitch brick. Still though, we're talking about a very nifty scent, mostly Caribbean spiced with cinnamon and cloves. Jack Sparrow may be pissed about the lack of rum, but he could probably still use a shower with this brick. At 6 is the Coconut Castaway. This is in the same boat as the Bay Rum, no alcohol, but it's here today because of the scent. We're talking a powerful pina colada type of scent, perfect for being stranded on a tropical island. The coconut-heavy ingredients, including coconut shreds, milk, and water, also make this one of the most nourishing and deep-cleaning bars on the menu. At 5 is the Irish Cream and Whiskey, the St. Patrick's Day boy. You know this mad lad is all about the drinking. Unfortunately, we have no whiskey here, but thankfully, we do have stout beer. We're mainly talking about a creamy mocha scent, nifty but on the weaker side. Along with the stout beer, we also have oat milk, Irish moss, and potato water, making for an all-around solid brick. At 4 is the Drunken Pumpkin, the legendary Halloween boy. Now despite being drunken, this boy has no alcohol in it, and the scent isn't even that bourbon-esque. It's mostly a full-spiced cologne smell, although there are hints of bourbon. It's mostly a warm scent, and probably the best scent on this list, so I think it is a fair spot. At 3 is the Woodbarrel Bourbon. Sort of the successor to the late Drunken Pumpkin, the Woodbarrel Bourbon carries on with a very similar scent. It too is a full-spiced cologne one, but this time we have more oakiness and bourbon notes rather than the pumpkin, giving off that Wild West vibe. There is again no alcohol here, but there is at least brewer's yeast. We also have Jimmy Red Corn and sand to add a nice medium grit, the strongest on this list today. At 2 is the Stone IPA, the collab with Stone Brewing. This bar makes its entire personality IPA beer, and it even has real Stone IPA as an ingredient, along with hops and menthol, making for a very nifty trio. The scent is something of a combination of the three. It's always reminded me of lemongrass. Unfortunately, my remaining bars have lost their scent, as they were never that strong to begin with, making updating my notes impossible. Until hopefully we get a re-release, because this was a nice bar. And at 1 is a criminally underrated brick, the Grapefruit IPA, the best citrus OG and alcohol OG on the menu. This boy has beer and hops as ingredients, as well as a delicious grapefruit scent. One of the most refreshing smells of any bar. The scent is very underrated, fresh grapefruit with a hint of hops. I think it's the best alcoholic brick. Congrats on that, Grapefruit IPA. And there you have it, mains. Let me know how you would rank these drunken bars. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!